Hello nursery and welcome to a phonics session today. Again, we're going to very quickly recap the sounds we have learnt so far because there are so many now. I can't believe how well you are learning them. So we're going to go for the first set that was done in the first term that we were home learning. I'm going to hold them up, say the sounds with me, and then I'm going to hold them up and you just say the sound. Okay, let's go. Ah, ah. Eh, eh. Don't forget you can do those actions if you can. P, p, p. S, t, t, t. Now I'm going to add in the ones we learnt last week. Can you remember them? D, d, d. G, g, g. Now they're all muddled up together. I'm going to hold them up and you shout those sounds out as loud as you can. Let's go. Keep watching, I might go really quickly. Don't take your eyes off, they're going quicker. Brilliant, well done. Hopefully you managed to remember all of those. If not, keep watching the video back and keep practicing them because the more you recognise these, the better it will be for your reading and writing in all those years to come up at big school. So, this week we're going to learn some new sounds. Have you seen this one before? This is a k, k, k. And you have to make your hands, hold them like this, and you're playing the castanets, which is an instrument that looks like two shells clapping together. K, k, k. We also have the k sound again. Same sound, but it's different shape. One is a kicking k, and the other one we say is a curly k. They have the same sound that the letters make, but we do have a different song to sing. And sometimes the challenge, and this is getting tricky now, sometimes they put in a word both sounds together. And if you see them together, we don't say k, k. We have to just say k. That's a k. That's a k. And that's a k. Remember those alpha blocks we look at sometimes at nursery? They're best friends when there's two letters that stick together to make one sound. It's called a digraph. I wonder if you can remember that. A digraph, because it's two letters making one sound. K, k, k. Together. Remember, they're holding hands. Let's have a look at the Jolly Phonics song for it. Ready? We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Kites are flying in the sky. This is your same snaps but flying. In the sky. Kites are flying in the sky, flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Practice that once more with me. I want to hear those singing those sounds. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets, clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Same sound but flying. Kites are flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky, flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky. Well done, nursery. So we have the k sound, curly k, kicking k, all together still makes the k sound. So really this week you have learnt the curly k, the kicking k, and the k digraph. So that is another tricky lot of sounds to learn. And we are still going to add one more in for this week, so I hope you're ready for the challenge. Can you recognise this letter? It's round in a shape. What shape's that one? That's right, you go round in the circle. It's an O. O, O, O. So the O is a switch. You're turning off the light switch before bed or when you wake up in the morning. O, O, O. So this one is an O. My letter sound is O. My letter name is O. My letter sound is K. My letter name is C. My letter name is K. My letter name is K. The name is K. The sound is K. Name is C. Sound is K. Name is O. Sound is O. Now let's learn that Jolly Phonics song for O. Now the cycle lights go on, oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off, oh, 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 oh. Lights go on. We'll do it once more. Oh, let me hear you. Now the cycle lights go on, oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off, oh, 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 oh. And we've done the P. So that was the O, and it's the light switch, O, O, O. You almost have to make an O, the circle shape with your mouth, O, to make that sound. O, K, O, and C and K are the letter sounds we are learning this week. Have a go at practicing all those sounds, and in a minute we'll be back on with a video practicing these letters. See you in a minute. Enjoy that phonics songs. Bye.